Okay, so hi, welcome back, and to all the new subscribers, thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing to our little channel. And what am I doing today? Well, let's see. Got these. There's 40 LED lights, 3 in each, so 120 LED lights that I'm going to be installing under the bed. So when we're actually looking for stuff in the storage area, we can find it. And first thing I'm going to do is, this is what it came with for a switch. I don't know if you can see how small that is. That is ridiculous. So I already pre-installed this toggle switch here. 100% better quality than this. Look how small it is. Smaller than my thumbnail. So I don't think that would last too long. So got rid of that, and this is the cable that came with it. There's 40 meters of it, so 120 feet supposedly. I will install one end of this in the fuse blade, which is right there. Run a cable underneath here back to the switch, and then we'll run where we're going to be putting the lights. So that's going to be today's project, and I gotta do that first because I mounted the bed permanently and I didn't do the water tank first, or the plumbing for it. So yeah, here we go. So because they all came clumped together, I gotta individually cut each string of lights. Okay, so that's all the lights. So I'm pretty happy with that. Got another block of 20 there. Okay, so first things first, I gotta put these ends on these so I can attach it to the fuse block. Okay, so the switch is wired. So all I gotta do now is join this to these, and the first run of the lights is up. This wire will go through to the other side, and there'll be another row of lights here and all the way down. Okay, it is daylight outside. Just got finished wiring it all, and I'm extremely happy how this turned out. Watch how bright this is. It's gonna be great at nighttime trying to find stuff. Happy. That is really bright. Okay, what are we gonna do today? Okay. Sorry about turning around like that. We got the cold water pump, the accumulator, the filter, all the gubbins, and it is going to live somewhere in here. So now we just got to find out how we're going to get it in there, because there's already hot and cold water right there that we gotta plumb into. And on this side is the hot water that we gotta redo again as well. So I'm gonna start with the cold, and we'll build it from there. Okay, so this is it so far. That's an hour's work so far. My brain is not working good today, shall we say. Okay, so this is under the bed with the lights on, and this is going to be the hot hot water run. Hot water comes out of here. It'll come down into the filter, through the pump. It will come out. There'll be a T-junction. One will go up into the shower. The T-junction will come out this way and down, across, down and across, and then we'll run the hot water pipe beside the blue one all the way across to the kitchen sink. Okay, so there's coming out the over the wheel well water tank, 39 gallons. Went into the pump, out the pump. It tees off. One goes to the sink, which is that one there. This one comes across, goes to the cold side of the shower, and it also fills up the hot water tank. And then this crazy side is the hot water tank. It's splitting off and going to the shower, and then it going back across to the sink. Okay, so I'm actually pretty chuffed how the water system actually turned out. It's working pretty good. I gotta test the tank. I gotta put the filler hose on it. It's gonna come up to here, so I gotta build something to hold it. That'll be in a later video. Also gotta build a divider down there so you can't see under the bed from the front. And there may even be a door back here. When you open the back door, you don't get to see what's in the back. So that is all to come. Also got an EcoFlow charger to install. That's that big cable right there. So I'm happy with that. A lot of space for storage. Okay, this morning I'm just using this piece of scrap wood. I'm gonna cut it out, and it's gonna live right here, and it is gonna have the filler probably right there. Yeah, about right there is where I want it. So okay, so this part is now done. The water inlet, and then on the back it's connected into the water tank itself. I just got to get one more line, which is the breather line, which goes up top there and it goes all the way to the back of the tank. So I can still use it until we get that. I got this silver foil right here because I'm thinking about maybe boxing it in, so if there is any overflow, it comes down there and it goes there. It doesn't go in the vehicle itself. So still not too sure if I want to do that, but it is, that part's done. So the electrics is done, the water's done, the water tank is installed. We can use the water tank. So now I have to build the divider that goes from the front of the van to the back of the van, and that should be it. Okay, so we got the seat cushions for the chair we made, and what do you think?
I think it's really nice and it's pretty comfortable.
Oh, good.
Grandpa could sit right here.
Yeah. Right height?
Yep, right height. It's not putting a strain on my knees. My
Okay.
tush is cushioned.
And if you have to, you can scooch over that way a little bit.
Yep.
And you can put your feet up on the step right there.
Relax.
Okay. So now I just gotta get the lagoon table and mount it. And then we'll have a place to sit and eat.
Because we can spin my chair.
Yeah, all the chairs spin around, so that's good. I even like the color.
Yeah, yeah. Because I'm doing that J color and we'll go with all this.
Yeah, so that's good, babe.
Yeah, we did good choices.
Yeah, happy with that. Okay, so I got a whole bunch done today. I'm really happy with that. This water feature is now complete. Water feature, okay, yeah. Gotta get tape, more silver tape. That way if there's any backsplash, it will come out, it'll go down there and come out the vehicle at the bottom instead of going inside the vehicle and messing up. Okay, we now have a bulkhead at the very end with a passageway to get in the back or the front. And you'll notice that the EcoFlow alternator charger is right there waiting to be installed. And over in this corner right here, I'm waiting for some flex pipe so I can install the vent for the diesel heater for the main cab. So, and all the lights are working. So, really happy. Happy. There's the cushions in place. And there's the other side of the bulkhead that we just built. So the next couple of days we'll be painting it and getting it ready for our first real trip of the year. Don't know where we're going, but we're definitely going somewhere. Hope he's painting as I'm trying to peel wallpaper off. What a mess. Gotta be an easier way.
You gonna want that painted or no?
No, I'm not that. Okay, so Hope's painting the kills, and at the same time, through her hearing aids, she's watching a movie or something.
I'm listening to 80s music, the best.
Oh,
Ah,
80s music. So we can't get a copyright strike because we can't hear it. Only she can hear it.
yeah. I can still hear her talk.
She hears a lot of things we can't hear. Really happy with that though. Okay, so busy painting the new color in the van. That's the old color. This will be a new color. Okay, first coat is done. Pretty happy with it turned out. Got some cleaning to do. Some of the stuff is back on. But overall, I'm happy. So we are 95% done. I got one more hose I gotta buy for the water tank, for the breather tube. I got to run an extension for the power inverter, and we are done. And that seat right there is comfortable. Really comfortable. So it's been about what, 2 months since we started this, and I'm happy. Everything has worked out brilliant. So thanks for watching. Okay, so there it is. I'm pretty happy. All we gotta do now is just some stuff under here, and we should be good. Happy with that light, really happy.